In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize your product images to the same size on Shopify. If you've been dealing with the challenge of inconsistent image sizes among your products, you're not alone. Ensuring that all your product images have a consistent look not only helps your store appear more professional, but also enhances the shopping experience for your customers. Today, we'll step through the process of resizing your images seamlessly right on Shopify. Grab a cup of coffee, sit back, and let's dive into this walkthrough. First off, open the site editor for your Shopify store. Once you're there, navigate over to the Collections section. This is where you might have noticed that some of your product images are a bit inconsistent in their sizing. Having mismatched product images can create visual chaos, so fixing this is a great way to give your store a polished, cohesive look. Once you've selected your collection, click directly on it. This simple action will bring up a new set of options on the left side of your screen, displaying all the properties associated with your collection. It's like opening up a toolbox with everything you need to make the necessary adjustments. As you look through the options on the left, you'll notice something called the Image Ratio dropdown. This is the key to resizing all your product images in a uniform manner. Click on this drop-down menu. You'll see a range of options. Try selecting a style such as square or portrait. What's great about these options is that Shopify will automatically reframe and resize all your images so that they appear the same size. This is an incredibly helpful feature that saves you the hassle of manually resizing each image. After you've made your selection, remember to click Save. By doing so, you apply these changes to your store. And just like that, your product images are now consistently sized, giving your store a clean, inviting appearance that will definitely impress your visitors. Now, it's important to note that the extent of these customizations can vary depending on the theme you are utilizing. Some themes offer more options for customization, while others might offer a bit less. So, if you find yourself with limited choices, it might be worth considering a theme change in the future to allow greater customization flexibility. And that's really all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've enhanced the visual appeal of your Shopify store, making it much easier for your customers to browse your products. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!